Let's start by answering two simple questions. Number one, what is a business website? And number two, why a business website? A business website is a digital platform that serves as the online face of your brand. It allows you to meet customers from all over the world. And then, why a business website? Having a business website is the first step to putting a business somewhere it can thrive. It allows you promote a product, build credibility, compete with others, distinguish yourself as a brand, and most importantly, expand your physical location. My name is Millicent, and all I do is teach you what I know about online businesses. And in this specific video, I want to teach you two ways on how you can create your small, medium, or even large business a free and fully customizable website. Thank you for joining me in this one, and I hope that you're going to stay with me until the end. Hit that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up, and then we continue. So to have a website, any type of website, you need two things. Number one is a domain name. Number two is hosting. A domain name is what are people going to find you through online? What are they going to type on their search engines to locate your business website? And number two, hosting. Hosting is like renting a house for your website to live in. The host provider will be responsible for the speed of the website, the security of your website, and everything about your website being online. And so normally you'll have to purchase these two things, but luckily for us, especially for small businesses who may be low on funds, we have platforms that give you these two things for free. Or if you want extra features, you pay just a small amount. In this video, I want to talk about two platforms. The first one is Odoo, and the second one is Site123. I am going to walk you through both platforms and help you build a website of your choice on either of them. And so let's get started. So the first platform that I want us to talk about is Odoo. So why Odoo? It is easy to build and customize a website on this platform even without prior experience. Their operators offer 24/7 customer support, just in case you have any questions for them. Their websites are responsive on both mobile and desktop or laptops, and so whatever device your customers are using, they will be able to get your website. And finally, it is very affordable and scalable. Affordable, they have plans from free of charge, $7 and $10 for standard and premium plans. And scalable, as your business expands, they are going to be able to expand together with the business to ensure that your customers are satisfied with your business. And also, you are able to operate everything that you need to operate from this one platform. And so let us head over to the laptop and let me show you how you can create yourself a free business website on Odoo. And so the first thing that you do is head over to odoo.com. This is how the interface looks like. And so you're going to hit start now. It's free, as I have told you. And so you are going to choose the apps that you want to do. They are not going to ask you for any credit card details because it's free, of course. And in case you want to start paying for, you are going to do that then. So in this video, we want to create a business website. And so you can choose between website and e-commerce. Any of them will work good. So for me, I am going to be choosing website because I want to be able to create a website even for your freelancing business, for any type of business. So the next thing we are going to do is to input your details, your first name and last name. I am going to input my details as they are, of course, but you are also going to input your website name. For me, I'm going to use Elevation Style. Just for the purposes of this video, you are going to input your first and last name, email, website name, phone number, country, and your preferred language. Then you're going to hit start now. Then it is going to welcome you to this amazing platform, the one platform you will ever need to transform all your activities. It is going to enable you to build your platform in just 4 simple steps. And let us check out what the 4 steps are. So just click on let's do it. If you want to start your website from scratch, maybe you have knowledge on coding, you have knowledge on web design, you have all that knowledge, you can always start from scratch. But for us, we want something easy to create. So you're going to choose do you want a business website, an online store, a blog, an event website, or an e-learning platform? We want a business website, and so that is what we are going to choose. For what is your business? So let's say the business that we are creating this website is for clothes, and so you're going to type clothing. So you can see what the options that they have. You can choose baby clothing store. For this option, choose what your business is about, with the main objective being to, then do you want to get leads? Do you want to develop the brand, sell more, inform customers, schedule appointments? You are going to choose what you want to build your website for. After that, it's going to take you to this part where you're going to choose the colors of your website. You're going to choose one of your choice, or you can always upload your business color palette if you have one. So I'm going to choose one that really interests me from here. Then you are going to come to this page. What pages do you want to start with? You can start with an about us, because mostly people want to know what businesses are about. What services do you offer? Pricing, privacy and policy. Yes, you want a privacy and policy page. Do you want a blog page? Do you want to put success stories, career, whatever it is that choose from this page, the pages that you want to have? Click build my website. Then you are going to choose your favorite theme. From this, you are going to choose the one that's really looking good to you. They have these three for you to choose from. Then it's now building your website. Imagine that through that information that you've given it, it is now creating the website for you. And so you are going to wait until it's done. And just like that, imagine we have our business website. This is now what people will be seeing. This is the home page. As you scroll down, this is what you will be getting. Fashion for baby girls, style for baby boys, fancy for babies. You can see how customized it is already and how good it is. So you can check out everything. The best thing is, if there is anything that you don't like, you can always hit here to start editing and removing what you want to remove. You can see this part here is drag and drop. If this part is what you want to change, you just click on it, and then that part comes here, and you can always edit it to your liking. You can also edit the pages that you have. You see, when we have the cards, it's really amazing. So that is how you do it. After you have customized everything, you are just going to hit again here, save, and it will have saved your everything. Before you go, there are two questions that most people ask. Should I start on Odoo Community or on Odoo Enterprise? And the answer to this question is, if you're just starting, if you are a small business, Odoo Community is the best one for you. And if you are a big business, Odoo Enterprise is, of course, for you. The second question is, what apps do I need? This one really depends on your business. If you want finance apps, if you want marketing apps, if you have specific apps that you want for all these functions, you can always find them here. Educate yourself more on this platform. Ensure that you understand everything on this platform for you to be able to maneuver throughout. You can always ask them any questions that you may have, and they are going to answer in real time. They have even live chat where you can ask your questions live and they get answered immediately. And so that is all about Odoo. Let's go to the second one. The second platform that I want to talk about is called Site123. And if you are asking, why would you recommend Site123? Here are some of the things why I would recommend this site. One, it is very beginner friendly, meaning you can always be able to create websites on this platform even if you have no coding, no web design skills, and it is going to be responsive. Number two, their websites are responsive on all devices, laptops, phones, tablets, whatever device your customers may be using, they are going to find your website. Number three, they are very cost effective. They have a free forever plan that you are not going to pay anything. And if you want to upgrade, you are just going to be paying $5 every month. Just imagine, $5. It's very affordable. And lastly, they have a very responsive customer support to ensure that you and your customers are satisfied. And so let's get over to the laptop again and let me show you how you can create a site on this platform. So what you do is just go to site123.com. I am going to, of course, leave the link in the description box below in case you need it. And so this is how the site looks like. So you're going to choose the type of website that you want. They have website, online store, blog, landing page, and so you are going to choose the one that you want to create. In this video, you're going to be creating a business website, and so you're going to be choosing online store. So what is your website category? You can choose something like maybe clothing store. Website names, let's input what we had used before, elevation style. Then you're going to tell them about your business, describe it. It's optional, but it helps with SEO. People will easily find your website. So let's get started. And your name, you are of course going to put in your name, your phone number, which is optional, your email, then you create a password, then you hit on start my website. So the site now is working to have your business website done. And finally, it's done. You can see congratulations on your new website. You now have a website. You can watch this video to take you through the website or start building your website. We have everything. It's beautiful. It has home, women, men, jewelry, shoes, accessories, and even more. So here are the pages that you have: about, services, testimonials, contact. And so you are just going to start changing things around to feel like your business. You know, of course, there is that feeling that your business has to people, and that is what you want to ensure that it includes. So you are just going to be hitting what you want to change, and you can always change them. After you have changed everything, just hit publish here. That way you are going to have your new website created. It's even asking to have your unique domain name before it starts, which I would really recommend because you want people to just search your name on the website and they are going to be able to find you. So that is site 123. And in case you're wondering what are some of the things that I would want you to know before considering this platform as your online business website platform, is the site is easy to use, but it can be difficult to customize. I am not saying this to discourage you from using their services. They are very efficient. I am just being true with you that they can be sometimes difficult to customize. But the best thing is they are always there. You can always ask them questions. And the other thing is it's best for small businesses. So if yours is already a big business, you can consider other options. But if you're just starting, this one is really good for you because it's cost effective and it's really customizable. It's efficient. So thank you for staying with me until the end of the video. I am so happy that you have watched this video. How I hope that you have liked the video and that you have subscribed to this channel so that every time I am getting to teach you something new about online businesses, you are on the know. And so until next time, bye bye.